converting to aerosols. Dr. Gupta, what do you make of it all?
Yeah, I have to summarize actually. You see, the Covaxin is our own vaccine. It is an inactivated virus. It is a killed virus, while others are different techniques, which is, of course, we know the AstraZeneca and other things are. Only 5 vaccines as of now has been approved by WHO, as you already told: Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Moderna, J&J, and Sinopharm. So we don't have to be, first of all, we are dependent on WHO for 2 reasons. Because first of all, the export, and secondly, of travel. Because let me tell you, my father is a pharmacologist and he was an assistant director in ICMR formerly. When he was choosing between AstraZeneca and Covaxin, he said, I will take Covaxin. The reason were 2 things. Because he said it's a killed virus, complete virus. He is a very important, thoroughly read person. So there is no doubt that Covaxin is a good and very well established vaccine. But of course, there is no doubt that we were late in giving the phase 3 trial, although it was approved in our country before the phase 3 trial, and there was a lot of criticism. But we thought that phase 2, at least the safety is okay, so we can go ahead with this vaccine, and there was an emergency requirement for those vaccines. So now coming on to the point, now June is the time when they applied. Now this is September, October, they are going to take it, and they are very hopeful that WHO will give a green signal for emergency use authorization, and we will be able to travel, and export will be allowed. Whether there has been delay or not, that is, of course, there is a competitive environment, there is a industrial pressure on whether WHO is moved by that, whether Chinese pressure is there or not. All these are points of speculation. But I would say that our phase 3 trial, as Dr. MC Mishra very clearly said, there was delayed and therefore they had approved it. But there have been reasons why Pfizer, Moderna, they were given so quick approval. There is no doubt, there is some sense of partiality. I have lived in France. When I have been working there, we know.
Okay, I only have asked much time. I thank you, Dr. Vivek Gupta, and all the other panelists, all the other